Good afternoon, traders. It is Tuesday, May 15th, 2018, and the U.S. stock market is closed. We didn't have a real good day today, but given what happened in the overall market, I think actually we got out of today pretty good. You can see here what happened with the Dow. You know, our our system um, does best when we have a good day and then some follow through the next day. Like these 2 days are a case in point, um, and and then even follow through here. We had a real good day here, but what happened today was the Dow sold off 193 points. So that kind of um, screwed up a lot of the trades that we were holding coming in today. We had 12 positions total, and of those 12 positions, we had profitable trades in 3 positions, but um, negative results in a total of 9 stocks. So what happened was that we ended up making $12,000 in positive trades, but lost $16,000 in negative trades. It all comes out we're negative $3,600 on the day for those exits. And then somehow, in spite of this sell-off, we did manage to get into 7 new positions. Only 2 were positive, 5 were negative, but surprisingly enough, we only are carrying negative $1,500 going into tomorrow. None of those positions look um, very scary for me tonight, anyway. So, you know, it was not a good day, but at the same time, it was a long ways from being a disaster. I'm going to show you one bad trade and then uh, 2 good trades. This first one is the bad trade. This is uh, Myomo, MYO, and we had bought this yesterday. Um, Big gap up. We bought the gap, and it actually closed in our favor yesterday, but then it just banged down this morning, and that cost us $4,000. So that was a big loss. If somehow we could have not have taken this, we would have had a small profit on our closeout trades, but Myomo got us. And but I will show you, we did have a couple good ones, and these good ones are what saved us from having a really bad day. This is Omeros, O-M-E-R, Omer, and we had bought this on Friday. It had a good move on Friday. Then yesterday it jumped up. We got out of this with $8,000. Beautiful trade there. It kept going. We got back in, and hey, it gave us more. It popped up again this morning, and we took another 5,000 out of Omeros this morning, and then it flattened out. So this was just a beautiful run here for us. That's like $13,000 in 3 days in that stock. So that was great. That helped offset some of our losses. And then the other good one is TNDM, which is Tandem Diabetics Care. Excuse me. That gapped up yesterday. We bought the gap. It kept moving, and it moved down a little here, but we still took $5,200 out of that. It would have been nice if we had known what was going to happen. If we'd rode this to the very end, we would have added about $3,000 to that, but that's not our system, and this sometimes happens. Anyway, not a horrible day, but I'd like to see better tomorrow. This is Trader Bob signing off. I will be back here tomorrow on Wednesday.